imagination and take a glimpse into a galaxy no telescope has ever seen before. In celebration of the new Star Trek movie, NASA is releasing a new frontier image that takes us to the very edge of space and time. And NASA scientist Ken Carpenter joins us now with more about it. How are you, Ken?
Doing well. How are you?
Doing very well. All right, so it's been more than a quarter of a century now. The Hubble Space Telescope, it's inspired generations of people around the world with its views of the universe. It was supposed to be out of commission. It's been lasting way longer than it ever could, was thought it could. It's phenomenal. I'm thrilled about it, and it's even getting us further than we thought we could ever get. Tell us about this frontier field image.
Well, the explorations of the Starship Enterprise and its successors have inspired a lot of us at NASA to go out and actually explore the real final frontier, and that's exactly what we're doing here in this new Frontier Fields image. Wow. This photo shows thousands of galaxies from 4 billion out to as far as 13 billion light years distant. Each galaxy has maybe 100 billion stars in it, and each of those stars likely has planets around it. So there's a huge number of possible abodes of life and perhaps civilizations out there. It's an exciting image. Really makes that paper cut you got earlier today kind of seem a little small.
just a little bit. Star Trek, it's been stretching our imaginations for years, and of course you follow the show. Starship Enterprise explored hundreds of different new strange worlds. How is the Hubble telescope getting us closer to that? Are we seeing any aliens picking their nose out there or anything?
Well, we haven't found direct evidence of life yet, but we're making great progress in understanding planets around other stars. We first of all can look at stellar nurseries, where stars are in the process of formation right now we look at them. Star mass is coming together, stars are forming, planets are forming around those stars. All of these are possible abodes of life. We've also been able, just on Wednesday, we released a result where we've looked at the atmosphere of 2 planets going around a cool M-dwarf star. Oh, wow. And we've established that the atmosphere is not full of hydrogen and helium, therefore it's quite possible it's got a heavier atmosphere like the Earth and could be a planet that supports Earth-like life. So we're characterizing planets, we're finding them around almost every star that we look at. So there's a huge number of possible locations out there where there may be life and maybe intelligent life. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Hubble will keep looking. We've got some future telescopes that will also be searching for Earth-like planets and evidence of life. Wow. You'll find something, hopefully, in the next few years.
Ken, you're a NASA scientist. I'm a mere mortal. I look at all this Hubble stuff, and I'm just blown away with the images that you're able to get. Are you, as a NASA scientist who's seen a cool thing or two, you ever just sit back and say, what the heck are we looking at? This is incredible.
There's been more than one time where that's happened over the quarter century of Hubble. We've seen these wondrous images of interacting galaxies where galaxies pass by each other, distort each other, create these great, wonderful, beautiful patterns, also create more star formation. We've seen black holes that are so energetic they're shooting out incredible jets of material at hundreds of thousands of miles an hour. And of course, we keep looking with these deep field images as far in space and time as we can possibly do. And perhaps the most exciting result with Hubble, in conjunction with other ground and space observatories, is the discovery that the expansion of the universe, instead of slowing down like you would expect it to do in response to gravity, is actually speeding up. It's like if you took an apple, threw it in the air, and instead of it slowing down and coming back to you, it started going faster upwards. That's what the universe is doing. Things are going away from us faster and faster, and we have no idea what's causing that. We call the cause dark energy. But dark just means we don't understand what it is.
That is so insane.
It's a big puzzle, and it's not something that we anticipated before we launched Hubble. Every time you put a new telescope in space, you find out something like that.
Ken, it's a pleasure. A Vulcan salute to you, sir. Live long and prosper.
Live long and prosper.
I love it. Very cool. It takes a little practice. Hey, journey into a new frontier with help from the Hubble Space Telescope. If you want more information about it and check out this insane imagery it's able to pick up, go to nasa.gov/Hubble, or you can follow them on NASA_Hubble on Twitter.